The following information is collected from the annual reports of Mahesh Ltd. Profit after tax is 10 lakhs, dividend payout ratio is 50%, number of shares 50,000. The first thing we'll need is the earnings per share. Earnings per share is equal to net profit after tax minus preference dividend upon number of shares. There is no preference dividend in this question, so we simply take 10 lakhs minus 0 upon 50,000, and on the calculator, right, we have 10 lakhs upon 50,000, which gives us 20. Then our calculation for the price, market price of the share using the Gordon model. Okay, P0 is equal to earnings per share into earnings per share into 1 minus B upon KE minus G. Now you need to understand that B is retention ratio. 1 minus B is nothing but your dividend payout ratio. Dividend payout ratio. Alright, and now the formula for G itself, we have a sub formula where we multiply the retention ratio into the return on investment. So P0 is equal to 20, open bracket, the dividend payout ratio. Okay, so and the dividend payout ratio is given to us directly over here as 50%. So I'm just going to do into 50%. That's it. And divided by KE, which is your cost of capital or equity capitalization rate. So 10% minus, open bracket, your retention ratio. And now remember, if retention ratio, if we have dividend payout ratio, dividend payout ratio is equal to 1 minus retention ratio, then in that way we can also think of retention ratio as 1 minus dividend payout ratio. Now that means retention ratio is equal to 1 minus 50%. Okay, why 50%? Because the dividend payout ratio is 50%. So now we do B is equal to 1 minus 0.5 because 50% in decimal is 0.5, and we get 0.5 of 50%. Alright, so this is as good as saying 50%. Now the number would have been the same, is the same because it's 50-50. Alright, it's not compulsory, it's going to be that easy every time. Anyway, minus 50%. Okay, and it's going to be 50%, which is your retention ratio multiplied by your return on investment, which is 12%. Okay, so 12% into 12%. And now we simplify further. So it's going to be 20 into 50% gives you 10. Okay, and in the denominator, I'm converting everything into decimal first. So minus 0.5 into 0.12, and proceeding further, we get 10 upon 0.1 minus 0.5 into 0.12, 0.5 into 0.12, which is 0.06. So 0.06, and then that is going to be 10 upon 0.04, which is equal to 10 upon 0.04, which gives us 250. Your solution might have an answer of 25, but I think this is the correct answer. Have a look in case it's anything different. Okay, so P0 is equal to 250. This is our answer. Thank you.